Common questions for computer science class. Why should they learn coding if they are not going to be working in the IT industry in the future? Programming class is primarily about developing computational thinking skills, problem solving, step-by-step thinking, and breaking down big problems into smaller problems. When students are learning programming, they are given immediate feedback from the computer so that they can revisit their thinking to find any problems, or to move on to more challenging problems. Learning programming can act as a tool to develop these useful soft skills. Why isn't my child learning a specific language? Especially at beginner levels, fluency at a specific language in computer science is not very important. Yes, each language has the ability to support different applications, such as web applications, phone applications, or computer programs, but the main purpose of learning computer programming at this level is to develop problem-solving skills. As an example, I learned Java in my years of high school, but was able to learn Python within a few weeks because the logical and algorithmic thinking is still the same within both languages. What is the biggest non-computer science related barrier that students face? Typing is a skill I found many students are underdeveloped in. Especially with programming, errors in spelling, punctuation, and spacing are the biggest causes of programs not working and of frustration. To alleviate this, younger learners are encouraged to start with Scratch, as a drag and drop nature of the program lowers the barrier. However, it is encouraged for all students to develop their typing skills such that they can type properly and eventually at a moderately or quick speed.